This was a really fun experiment that we did. One of the students in the class won a helium balloon, and I asked everybody, what do you think is going to happen to the balloon when you get in the car? Is it going to go forward? Is it going to stay the same? Or is it going to go to the back of the car? I would say probably half the class thought it would go to the rear of the vehicle, and the other half thought it would go to the front. So I bought a balloon at Walmart, and as I was driving home, I noticed that it went right to the front of the car as soon as I got on Wade Hampton Boulevard, which was pretty cool. I thought it went to the front of the car, and when I stopped, it went to the middle, and if I stopped really hard, then it went to the back of the vehicle. Now, all of this illustrates something that Archimedes discovered, and that is called the buoyancy force. Now, buoyancy just means that if you put something like a beach ball underwater, it's going to go up above the water and fly up. So that's basically what buoyancy is. A body submerged in a liquid or a gas is acted upon by that force. Now, inertia also causes the balloon to go forward or back, and gravity pushes the balloon down, but since helium is lighter than air, the helium balloon was flying up in the air, and the inertia was causing it to go one way, and the buoyancy was also causing it to move up. So air molecules were underneath the balloon, and buoyancy was causing it to go up, and inertia was causing it to go in another direction. So it was a pretty cool experiment. It's not what I expected when I got in the car, but when I started studying this and realized that there are three forces at work, I thought it was pretty cool.
Students also learned in this class that the periodic table of the elements can be read from left to right, and those are called periods, or from top to bottom, and those are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. Now, helium is in the last group, and that is, I think, group number 18, and it is called the noble gases. And back in the day, the noble gases were considered to be very good and of noble character because they don't fight or react with anything. And so the helium balloon came from that group. All in all, I think this was a great activity. Students learned about noble gases, helium being the second element, and they learned about the three forces called inertia, buoyancy, and gravity.